Hey y'all, Irix guy here, and I painted my studio, and I kind of got in a hurry, and I forgot to cover parts of the laminate floor. So the end result, and I'm going to zoom the camera in so you can see it, is that I've got specks of white latex paint. So what I'm going to do within this video is demonstrate how I'm going to remove those specks of paint. Now what I have been doing, I've used actually I've just used my fingernail and I've kind of rubbed at it, but when you've got that many specks, that's not a very efficient way to do it. So this will hopefully be a very efficient way, and you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find the spray like I'm using. But without further ado, let's move this camera over here because I want to show. Oh, I hit my foot. Oh. Let's move this camera over here. Oh, so I can show you the spots, and then I'm going to show you in real time while I do this. So let's position the tripod here now and just kind of get it to where it's going to be. See, these spots are going to be up there in that front part. So nothing's edited in this, including me running into my exercise equipment. But let's go over here so I can show you the specs. So you can see the white specks throughout, those little bitty specks. And what we're going to do, actually I'm going to bring the tripod over here so we can really zoom in and show you while I do it. See all those specks right in there? Tons of white specks. No tomfoolery within this video, man. This is just, it's either going to work or it's not. And I hope it works because I bought this stuff and I hate wasting money, man. Money for something that works is often well spent, but if it doesn't, it's just a waste of money, dude. Okay, so that's pointing down there. Let me get the spray and a paper towel. We're going to spray it and see what happens. Now it is worth mentioning I'm doing this in an area that's kind of out of primary view in case something unexpected happens and it creates damage. I don't want to do it in an area where it'll be more noticeable. So let's see. So we're going to spray here. It's going to spray a small area. So that area right there. And we're going to let it sit for 60 seconds. So I'm watching my Apple Watch. We're going to let that area sit for 60 seconds. Again, I just did a small area because if this does something unexpected, you know, I don't want to ruin my floors. Even though these are just cheap laminate floors, I don't want to damage them. So let's see, we've got a little bit longer here. We're just going to do it like it's supposed to be done. Still waiting here. I hope this works because this has been painful, man, going through and trying to, you know, with your fingers just pop each one of those individual pieces of latex paint off. It just hasn't been efficient. And it'll drive you crazy. I don't know what drives me more crazy, seeing those paint spots or trying to get them off. Okay, so it's been about 60 seconds. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, it's definitely loosened it up. Oh yeah. And it said, this is just a paper towel, but it said you might even want to use like a little brush to kind of irritate it, or agitate it rather, I guess is the word. But see, these are coming off. So I'm applying just a gentle amount of pressure. And it's, they're definitely, yeah, these are lifting. Because when I just did this just with a paper towel, you know, nothing would, or next to nothing would come off. But with this, as you can see, I'm gently rubbing here. But this area where I've been rubbing, which is right in here, there's only a few tiny specks remaining. And this makes quick work of that. If you're expecting it to be just like rub on and it just come off with, you know, with just a quick towel wipe, you will probably be disappointed. But look at how quickly I did that. So now I've done this entire area. There's one tiny speck right there. Let's see, let me get it. And it seems to be, that may even not be paint. Let's see. Well, whatever it was came up. But yeah, see all these other, oh man, this is great. See, all these pieces are coming up. And I didn't spray over here. I'm just using the residue that's on the cloth. Man, that's perfect. Look at that. That really is perfect. There is no doctoring up here. This is what it is, man. And that looks really good. It really does. So, again, expand this video's description and then click the link there and you can find the latex paint remover spray like I just used. Again, you know, try it in an area that's not in plain sight in case it does create problems. You know, make sure whatever you're spraying it on is a surface that it says is likely okay. I mean, don't ruin your floors or whatever else with this. But with that being said, the results that I just achieved, obviously they speak for themselves. I mean, you can see those paint spots are gone. Yes, I've still got paint spots here because I haven't done this part yet. And yes, I've got some back here because I haven't done that part. But the part where I did it, they're gone. And this makes me feel so good, man, because those paint spots have been driving me bonkers. So, again, expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order this, this latex paint removal spray online. Best of luck. Y'all have a good day. And this right here is the after video. You can see all the places right here where I did the where I ran this stuff just with a paper towel. You can see there's a tiny speck there that I overlooked. You can see that white speck right there, see? But that was just my failure. Look at how perfect that is, man. I mean, this stuff works. And that would have taken me with a fingernail or a penny or something like that, rubbing it, you know, piece by piece. That would have taken me forever. Now, I've still got some stuff back there. I got to move the furniture and do that spot. But you can see this spot here. See how perfect that is? I left a little speck there. And then I left three little specks there. But, I mean, this stuff works, man. At least it did for my floors. And I'm just using a cheap laminate hardwood floor. So if you're trying to figure out how to remove latex paint, you know, if you're like me and you got lazy and you didn't cover your floors completely, you know, looking back, I would have definitely covered my floors because this has been a nuisance. Let's put it that way. It's been a nuisance because, you know, when I got it on there, I didn't realize there was a solution I could buy that I just used to get it up. But, you know, even having that, the time that it takes to spray this, which I sprayed it, let it sit for 60 seconds or so, and then I wiped it up. But the time spraying and wiping would greatly exceed the time of just putting down a sheet or a piece of plastic to cover the floor. So, you know, when you're rolling your walls with the rolling paintbrush with latex paint, even if you're a professional painter, which I am not, but even if you are, there's probably still going to be specks of paint that get on your floor and your furniture and stuff. So be sure to cover everything. But if you failed to do so like I did because you were lazy and you were ready to paint, you had some time to paint, and you wanted to get it done, just remember that this stuff like I just used, you can find it linked within this video's description, and it may be able to remove latex paint spots from your floor as well. Tell me what you think within the comment section below, and again, expand this video's description and then click the link there to find the latex paint removal spray like I just used. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.